viewers, and for you today I have another eBay purchase. This is a purchase of an Alaska Statehood dollar from 1959. Cost $9.07. So let's open it up and see what we've got. Isn't that cute? It says open. Ooh, that looks very nice. Here it is out of the package. This is the Alaska Statehood dollar token from 1959. On the front it says Alaska, has 1959 on both sides, left and right, the 49th state. And the scene that is depicted here is a scenic engraving of the Alaskan wilderness, including mountains, forests, ships, and it bears the text Alaska, the 49th state. And on the back, we have Fairbanks, the Golden Heart of Alaska, good for $1 in trade all year during 1959, when Alaska became 49, at any cooperative business, or redeemable at face value at the Fairbanks Chamber of Commerce until 12 noon, Thursday, December 31st, 1959. Birthday year, souvenir money. This coin is 38.77 millimeters in diameter, weighs 16.23 grams, is gold-plated brass. So there is a little bit of gold in this coin. It is round. It has a smooth edge. Okay, let's see what this weighs. If it is an authentic coin, it should be 16.23 grams. And it's coming in at 16.2. So I think we have an authentic coin here. Let's see what its diameter is. And it should be 38.77 millimeters, which is almost 39. And that's what we have here. Almost 39 millimeters. I'm really impressed with this coin. I especially like the scenic engraving on the front there. It has very nice patterns, a lot of detail to it. I really like the look of this coin as well. Since it is gold plated, it has a very nice color. So for being 67 years old, it still has a really nice luster and shine to the coin. I am really impressed with this purchase. It does appear to be a authentic and real Alaska Statehood dollar coin, and I paid about $9.07 for it, and the guide shows it at anywhere from $15 to $50. So that's a pretty nice investment. So please comment below. Leave me a comment about this coin. Tell me what you think about it. And as always, like and subscribe. And thank you for watching, viewers. Good night.